Hey everybody, this is Rob with One Piece at a Time Ranch, and I'm too retarded to operate a video camera. Actually, it's brand new. How about we try a true cold start on this little 1010? She's completely chilled out. There ain't nothing hot about it, and you can touch her rod there. You're not going to burn yourself. Stick your whatever in the radiator. It's cold, right? So anyway, let's take and we'll pull the choke. It's bent, I know. Turn the key on. Make sure she's out of gear. And let's see how well she does. Push button.